This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by putting the watch on correctly, snug, not tight, so heart and motion sensors read reliably. Next, open the fitness or activity app on your iPhone and grant health permissions, otherwise calorie data won't sync. Then, set your personal profile, age, weight, height, and adjust the move goal to a realistic calorie target. Once done, start a workout from the workout app or rely on background tracking. This initiates active calorie measurement and prepares the system to attribute burn correctly. You now refine how the watch calculates calories. Begin explicit workouts, like outdoor walk, run, or HIIT, because the watch uses type-specific algorithms for active calories. Make sure heart rate, motion and fitness, and background app refresh are enabled in settings so continuous data flows. Calibrate the watch by doing a 20-minute outdoor walk or run with your iPhone nearby. This improves stride and pace estimates and reduces systematic error. Also, update weight and health. Body mass directly affects calorie calculations, so keep it current. You finish by reviewing calorie totals in the activity rings and the fitness app. Move shows active calorie burn, while total energy may include resting estimates. If numbers look inconsistent, first recalibrate with a paced outdoor session, then confirm weight and age and health. Small errors there skew results. When problems persist, restart both devices and check app permissions. Finally, if you use third-party calorie trackers, make sure they have health access and that units and activity types match, so totals align correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.